kiddos, how are your studies going on? Are you fit and fine or not? So tell me everything about yourself in our online interactive classes, okay? And children, we are doing chapter number 9, local self-government, and this is the second video of our chapter. In the first video, we have seen about governance in villages. And the things we are going to learn today is governance in towns and cities. First, we have seen about how the government works in villages. Now, we will see about how the government works in towns and cities. So, let's start. Children, the local governing bodies in towns and cities are municipalities and municipal corporation. If you remember, the governance in villages or local governing bodies in villages was Gram Panchayat. Who controls the villages? Gram Panchayat. In the same way, in towns and cities, local governing bodies are municipalities and municipal corporation. I hope it is clear to you. See, in this picture, it is given the example of government in Assam. That is local self-government in Assam. And Assam is a place, right? It is a state. So, it is governed by the municipal corporation, or you can say the town committee. So, that is municipalities and municipal corporation. Municipalities look after the needs of people in towns. Okay, as we have seen that in villages the needs of people was taken care by Gram Panchayat. In the same way, municipalities take care of all the needs of the people who are living in town. And municipalities are also called Nagar Palika or Nagar Nigam. What it is known as Nagar Palika or Nagar Nigam. So if I ask you in exam, municipalities are also called dash or dash. So what you will be writing? Nagar Palika or Nagar Nigam. Cities with population of over 10 lakh are looked after by municipal corporation. Means those cities whose population is more than 10 lakh, they are looked by municipal corporation. Okay, municipal corporation takes care of those cities whose population is more than 10 lakh. Which are such cities? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad and Pune, they are having municipal corporations. Okay. Who all are having? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad and Pune, they are having municipal corporations. And they are also known as Mahanagar Palika or Mahanagar Nigam. What they are known as? Mahanagar Palika or Mahanagar Nigam. So municipal corporations are known as dash or dash. Then it is Mahanagar Palika or Mahanagar Nigam. I hope this is clear to you. Which cities have the municipal corporation whose population is more than 10 lakh, and which are such cities? Mumbai, Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad and Pune. They are having municipal corporation, and municipal corporations are also known as Mahanagar Palika or Mahanagar Nigam. The head of municipal corporation is called mayor. Okay, remember this. Don't get confused between the head of Gram Panchayat and head of municipal corporation. Head of Gram Panchayat was known as Sarpanch and head of municipal corporation is known as mayor. What he is known as? Mayor. The towns and cities are divided into wards according to the population. Now, there are so many people living in the country, so whole country is divided into states and union territories. In the same way, there are so many people living in cities also. So it is difficult to control whole city by one person, right? So towns and cities are divided into wards. Wards means different areas according to their population. And people who are above the 18 years of age can elect the members of municipalities and municipal corporation. So who can elect the members of municipalities and municipal corporation? Those who are adult. Adult means people who are above the age of 18 years old. Okay, if you are below 18 years age, then you cannot select the members of municipalities and municipal corporation. Only those people who comes above 18 years of age, they can only elect the members of municipalities and municipal corporation. The members are elected for the period of 5 years. Means once it is elected, then after 5 years again election will come. So till 5 years same members will be there for the municipalities and municipal corporation. This was all about the municipalities and municipal corporation. Children, now we will go ahead with the hard words. So here are the hard words which we have to write in the notebook. Yes, I will be sending you the PDF of everything together, that is hard words, words to know, but before that you write this much in the notebook. First is government. We all know now what is government, right? Then respective. Then third is Sarpanch, that is the head of a Gram Panchayat. Then control, municipalities, mayor, Nigam, electricity, central, Panchayat, solutions. Solutions means overcoming from the problem. ठीक है? Conflict. Conflict means fight, disputes, झगड़े. Mahanagar, wards. Wards means different areas. Then corporation. And last one is disposal. Okay, so this is all about your hard words, and write it down in the notebook. Okay, so this was all about your video. Till the next video, complete the work and study the chapter from students book. Bye bye everyone, take care.